Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all of you. My name is Abu Sana. I belong to Sumbal Sonawari. I am 11 years old. I am doing Hifz Quran at Idaratul Numan, Karimabad, Sumbal. Today I am going to deliver a speech on faith of Khatm Nubuwwat. What is Khatm Nubuwwat? Khatm Nubuwwat means that Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the last of the prophets. The process and routine of appointing prophets and messengers by Almighty Allah has been terminated, finished, ended, stopped, and sealed. None will be appointed as prophet after Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. His prophethood will continue unto the Qiyamah day and even afterwards. Only that person can claim to be a Muslim who has belief in Khatm Nubuwwat. Almighty Allah clearly says in the Holy Quran, ما كان محمد أبا أحد من رجالكم ولكن رسول الله وخاتم النبيين وكان الله بكل شيء عليما. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, is not father in any of your men. However, he is a messenger of Almighty Allah and the last of the prophets. In addition, Almighty Allah has complete knowledge of things. Thus, finalization of the prophethood has been clearly declared by Almighty Allah Himself. There are about 100 verses of the Holy Quran and more than 200 sayings of the Holy Prophet on Khatm Nubuwwat, which clearly and categorically convey that the practice of appointing prophets has been finished after Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. Let me quote some of the sayings of the Holy Prophet on belief of the Khatm Nubuwwat. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, Ana khatamun nabiyyin, la nabiyya ba'di. I am the last of the Abu Ammar narrated that the Holy Prophet said, I am the last of the Prophet and you are last of the Ummah. I am seal of the prophets, you are seal of the Ummah. Hazrat Sobar narrated that the Holy Prophet said, there will be 30 faithless bearers of the highest order. Every one of them will claim to be a prophet. Whereas in fact, I am the last of the prophet. No prophet has come after me. The whole Muslim Ummah has consensus on Khatm Nubuwwat. The denier of Khatm Nubuwwat is the denier of Almighty Allah and His last messenger. Denier of Khatm Nubuwwat is infidel, traitor, and biggest liar. His punishment is the same as that of Musaylimah al-Kazzab. May Allah save us from disbelief and doubt. At the end, I thank my teacher, my mentor, my guide, respected Tanvir Zama sir and Qari Firdaus sir, for guiding me, motivating me, and polishing my personality. I conclude my speech with these lines. गुलामाने मोहम्मद को सदा बेदार रहना है, गुलामाने मोहम्मद को सदा बेदार रहना है, अभी खत्म नबूवत पर बहुत होशियार रहना है, फिर खत्म नबूवत से तो मिट जाएंगे दुनिया से, फिर खत्म नबूवत से तो मिट जाएंगे दुनिया से, अकीदा न रहा कायम तो पिट जाएंगे दुनिया से, अकीदा न रहा कायम तो पिट जाएंगे दुनिया से, हर एक मुनकिर के रास्ते में बने दीवार रहना है, हर एक मुनकिर के रास्ते में बने दीवार रहना है, गुलामाने मोहम्मद को सदा बेदार रहना है, अभी खत्म नबूवत पर बहुत होशियार रहना है. Thank you very much indeed for your cooperation and a wonderful day.